Good morning, dear kids. I'm taking your new chapter, that is 14 rectilinear figures. Now, in that rectilinear figures, if you remember in our grade 8, we have done about polygons. Polygons means if you have what is regular polygon? Any closed structure, if I draw like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is six-sided polygon. And if I call it as regular polygon, that means its all sides are equal, so it will be called as a regular six-sided polygon. Similarly, if I draw five-sided, so it will be called as regular pentagon. Got my point clear? So for that, in your previous grades also you had a formula of finding sum of all interior angles of n-sided polygon. If the number of sides is not given, we'll take it as n, and the formula is 2n minus 4 into 90. Yes, my dear kids, and n will be the number of sides. जितने number of sides आपको दिए हैं. For example, मैंने आपसे पूछा sum of interior of five-sided polygon. So n will become 5, and I'll put it here as 5. So that will be 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90, and that will be something like this. Am I correct with this? Yes, so sum of all interior angles is 540. So of a pentagon, of course. Now you have to note down this formula, that is finding the sum of all interior angles, and then I'll give you how to find the each angle. ये तो आपको suppose 5 angles का sum मिल गया, और अगर आपको each angle find करना है तो what it will be, 2n minus 4 into 90 अपॉन नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ साइड्स? तो 2n माइनस 4 आपको सपोज 540 सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स मिल गया. अगर आपको ईच चाहिए तो यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 5. वाई विल डिवाइड बाय 5? बिकॉज दिस इज द सम इंटीरियर ऑफ 5-साइडेड पॉलीगॉन. तो जैसे ही आपको सम इंटीरियर मिल जाता है तो डिवाइड बाय द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. जितने नंबर ऑफ साइड्स का पॉलीगॉन है उससे अगर आप डिवाइड करोगे तो यू विल गेट व्हाट, ईच इंटीरियर एंगल. सो ईच इंटीरियर एंगल का अगर फॉर्मूला लिखें तो यू कैन गो फॉर 2n माइनस 4 इंटू 90 अपॉन n. गॉट माई पॉइंट क्लियर? सो दीज टू फॉर्मूलाज नोटेड डाउन प्लीज. वंस यू गॉट ईच इंटीरियर एंगल, तो जैसे ही आपके पॉलीगॉन में ईच इंटीरियर एंगल, यहाँ पे देखो मैंने ब्लैक डॉट लगाया है, ये आपका ईच इंटीरियर हो गया. तो इसके हर एक के एक्सटीरियर एंगल भी हैं. आप देख रहे हैं मैं लाइन स्ट्रेच कर रही हूँ, तो दैट विल बी द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. और एक्सटीरियर एंगल कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? तो एक्सटीरियर एंड इंटीरियर आर लीनियर पेयर. So once you got the interior angle, what you will do? Exterior will be equal to 180 minus each interior angle. Got my point clear? Are you getting my point clear? As we'll be doing these problems will be very easy for you. Don't worry. So you got this. Okay, next I want to also teach you how to find the number of sides if each exterior angle is given to you. अब एक्सटीरियर एंगल अगर दिया गया है आपको, एक्सटीरियर एंगल की वैल्यू दी हुई है, तो हाउ टू फाइंड? इफ़ आई गिव यू एक्सटीरियर एंगल as 20 degree, how to find the number of sides of that polygon whose exterior angle is 20 degree? So find number of sides, that will be 360 upon each exterior angle. Here the exterior angle, suppose I have given you 20, so you will divide by this and the answer will be 18. So number of sides will be 18. So directly अगर आपको number of sides easiest method से find करना है तो that will be to find the exterior angle and 360 divided by that exterior angle की measurement, and you will get the number of sides. Clear? Shall we start with the problems now? So you have problem number 1 which says the sum of interior angles of polygon is 4 times the sum of its exterior angle. Okay, so sum of interior angles is 4 times the sum of exterior angles. Find the number of sides. Now we do not have the number of sides, but we have an equation that the sum of interior angles is equal to 4 times. 4 times means multiplication. sum of exterior angle. Always remember sum of all exterior angles of any polygon, 5 sided, 6 sided, 22 sided, 44 sided, कितने भी नंबर ऑफ साइड्स रहें लेकिन उनके एक्सटीरियर एंगल का सम हमेशा 360 रहता है. So from there you will get, my dear kids, sum of interior angles is equal to 1440. From the equation I got that. And now how to find the number of sides. How to find the number of sides? For that you can use, now this is sum of interior angles. So sum of interior angle का मैंने formula दिया है 2n minus 4 into 90 is equal to 1440. Can I write it like that? And from there if I shift this 90 towards division, so it will be something like this, and you will get 2n minus 4 is equal to 16. 2n is equal to 20 if this minus 4 go there into plus 4, and the value of n is equal to 20 upon 2, that is 10 sides. Got my point clear? Yes, perfect, very good. Next you have the angle of pentagon. So I'll draw a regular pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the angles of pentagon are in ratio. So always remember, to convert your ratio into number you have to always put an x with the number, with the ratio. So it will be 4x, 8x, 6x, 4x and 5x. Find each angle. For finding each angle, my dear kids, you have to first find the sum of interior angles. So sum of interior angles will be, with the formula you have to find 2n minus 4 into 90. Put the value of n as 5 minus 4 into 90, and that you will get 540. Once you got this, my dear kids, now the sum of interior angles will be 4x plus 8x plus 5x plus 4x plus 6x will be equal to 540. From this equation, get the value of x. Once you got the value of x, put it in each angle and get the value of angles. Is that clear? Yes. Shall we jump on to next? Okay, next we have the angles of a six-sided polygon is 140. The angle, one angle of a six-sided polygon. So if I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, each angle, one angle is 140 and the other angles are equal. We do not know other angles, so can we put them as x? So the remaining 5 angles are x. So can I put it 5x plus 140 as the sum of interior angles? But we know that sum of interior angles is what? Sum of interior angles, by formula we have to find 2n minus 4 into 90. That will be 2 into how many sides it is? 6 minus 4 into 90. You will do this, you will get 720, my dear kids. Now this is the sum interior, so you will put it here. 5x plus 140 is equal to 720. Yes or no? Because sum of interior of all the angles is 720 degree by formula, and what it is given, that each angle is x. One angle is 140 and the remaining 5 are x. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x plus 140 is equal to sum of all interior angles, that is 720 by the formula we got. Once you got this equation, from there get the value of x. That's what is asked in the question. Next we have, in a polygon there are 5 right angles and the remaining angles are equal to 195 each. Find the number of sides. Now we do not have number of sides, but it is given there are 5 right angles. So 5 right angles means 5 into 90 degree and plus and the remaining angles are 195. We do not know how many are 195. So can we put it as x number of angles are 195? So can we put the equation to be 5 into 90, because 5 90 degree angles plus x number of angles of 195, so that is x into 195. Okay, and that will be my formula 2n minus 4 into 90, because this is the sum of interior angles and this is the sum of interior angles. I'll equate them. Yes, my dear kids, are you getting my point clear? Yes, once you have got that, what you can do is open up the thing. 90 into 5, make it, that will be 450 degree plus 195x is equal to, you can also multiply this, open the bracket, so that will be 190n minus 360. From there you will get an equation 190n minus, can I take this 195x there, and can I take this 360 here, so that will be 450 plus 360. Am I correct with this? 450 plus 360. Yes, from there we'll make one equation. Rather than putting x here, why not I can put here n number of sides. Remaining number of sides will, number of angles will be 195. I'll prefer to put here, rather than x I'll put n, because n is the number of sides, and how many number of sides you have, equal number of angles you have. ठीक है, तो अगर 5 एंगल्स आपके 90 हैं तो रिमेनिंग n नंबर ऑफ एंगल्स विल बी 195. remaining n number of angles, so I'll put it 195n rather than x. From there you will get the value of n. Once you solve this equation, my dear kids, you will get the value of n. So don't take two variables. I by mistakenly took two variables, x also and n also. But if I can make it out, if the number of polygons if the number of polygon has 5 sides, that means it has 5 angles only. So number of sides bolo or number of angles bolo, it's same, n only. Next I have fifth, which says 3 angles of a 7-sided polygon are 132 each, and the remaining 4 angles are equal. So if I draw 7-sided, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 angles are 132, 132, 132, 132. Remaining are equal. Can I put them as x? Okay, so this is the sum of all interior angles, that is 132 plus 132 plus 132 plus you have 1, 2, 3, 4x. Yes, that will be equal to sum of all the angles with by the formula 2n minus 4 into 90. It is 7-sided, so can I write it 2 into 7 minus 4 into 90? And from there I'll get this as 900. Solve this, my dear kids. Plus 4x is equal to 900. From there you will get the value of x. Yes, you have to do the calculations. Do it on your own. Yes, very good. Next, please avoid and ignore my background noise. I cannot help it. Problem number 6 says you have 2 angles of an 8-sided polygon. So it's a 8-sided, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-sided polygon. 2 angles are 142 and 176. If the remaining angles are equal, so you will put them as all x. The remaining 6 angles will be x. So 6x plus 142 plus 176 will be equal to sum of interior angles, that is 2n minus 4 into 90. Here n you will put it as 8, my dear kids. From there you will get a nice equation. You have to solve that equation and get the value of x. Clear? Problem number 9 we have in pentagon. You have a pentagon. AB is parallel to DC. So I'll write it here, AB and DC. They are parallel. Okay. And angle AED. Okay. A, B, C, D, and I'll put it here E. So it's a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. These are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. If they both are parallel, can I take them as 90 degree? Or can I take the addition to be supplementary, that is 180 degree? Can I say angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree? And the remaining angles, they are given as A is 3x, E is 4x, and D is 5x. So how I'll write it? I will write angle A. So I'll write it angle A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90. In n I'll put it 5 because it is 2 into 5. It is a pentagon, minus 4 into 90. So from there I'll get the value of sum of interior angles. And here on the left hand side you have to put the values of your angles, that is 4x plus 3x plus 5x plus इन दोनों का मिला के b और c का 180 लिख दूँ. Yes. And once you solve this equation, my dear kids, you will get the value of x. Once you got the value of x, you have to put it in a, put it in b, e and d to find the value of each angle. Next we have, I'll erase this part. Next we have AB, BC and CD are three consecutive sides of a regular polygon. Okay, let's see how we can draw three consecutive sides. Okay, we have AB, BC and CD. Can we put it like this? Yes. And if BAC is BAC, so I'll join this, and this angle is given as, angle BAC is given as 15 degree. Each, you have to find each interior angle. You have to find all the interior angles. So if I complete this polygon, I don't know how many sided it is, but you have to find each interior angle. What you will do for that? Now my dear kids, it's a regular polygon. That means this side AB will be equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. So that means it's an isosceles triangle, ABC. So even C will become 15. So in an isosceles triangle, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C, if I want to go through by angle sum property, I'll get the addition to be 180. Angle A is 15 because it is given. Angle B we do not know, we have to find. Angle C is 15 because it's an isosceles triangle, so base angles will be equal. From there you will get angle B is equal to 180 minus 30, that is 150. So you got angle B as 150. अगर एक एंगल 150 है तो ये जाहिर है कि ये रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन है. रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन में हर एक एंगल इक्वल होता है. सो C विल बी, एंटायर C विल बी 150. सो ईच इंटीरियर एंगल इज व्हाट? इट इज़ 150. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल. मैंने आपको बताया था व्हाट इज़ एक्सटीरियर एंगल. इंटीरियर का लीनियर पेयर. सो अगर इंटीरियर 150 है, सो एक्सटीरियर विल बी 180 माइनस interior, that is 150. So what exterior you will get? You will get it as 30 degree. Am I correct with this? Okay. Now you have to find the number of sides. Number of sides का easy formula मैंने क्या बताया था? 360 divided by each exterior angle. Divided by each exterior angle. Yes. What each exterior angle you got? 30. So 360 divided by 30, that is 12. Clear? Next I'll jump on to problem number 9, which says the ratio between exterior and interior is given as, so exterior ये है 2 और interior है 3. तो exterior बन जाएगा 2x, interior बन जाएगा 3x और इन दोनों का addition will be 180 degree because exterior and interior are linear pairs. Yes or no? Yes, they are linear pairs, so they will be supplementary angles. Okay, now you got this. So you got 5x is equal to 180. From there you got the value of x as 180 divided by 5. That is 5 3s are, you will take 15, 36, 36. So x will be 36. What you will do? You will put the value of x in 2x. So that will be 2 into 36. That will be 72. And you will put it in 3x also. So 3 into 36. Got my point clear? So like this you have to find the value. Then you have to find the number of, so this is 2x जो है वो आपका exterior है and ये आपका 3 जो है वो interior है. अब आपको find करना है number of sides. तो आपके पास exterior 72 आ गया. So number of sides will be 360 divided by each exterior, that is इस case में 72. So you will multiply, you will divide, you will get 5. Easy? Okay, we have done this. Problem number 10. Problem number 10 is a bit difficult, but you have to understand that the difference between exterior angle of n minus 1 sided polygon and an exterior of angle of n plus 2 sided polygon is 6 degree. Find the value of n. नाउ माय डियर किड्स, इन दोनों में डिफरेंस दिया हुआ है. एक है n-1 साइडेड पॉलीगॉन, तो ये एक पॉलीगॉन है सपोज, ये एक पॉलीगॉन है, इसमें n-1 साइड्स हैं, इसमें n+2 साइड्स हैं. इसका एक्सटीरियर एंगल और इसके एक्सटीरियर एंगल में डिफरेंस है 6 डिग्री का. So first you have to find the exterior angle. So each exterior angle will be what? How to find each exterior angle? You do not have. How to find number of sides? Number of sides is equal to 360 by each exterior angle. Cross multiply. So it will be each exterior angle into number of sides is equal to 360. So each exterior angle is equal to 360 upon number of sides. सो ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल अगर n-1 साइड है तो ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल विल बी 360 अपॉन n-1 नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, एंड हियर इट विल बी 360 अपॉन n+2 नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, एंड इन दोनों में डिफरेंस है 6 डिग्री का. नाउ दोज हु हैव डन विथ मी साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस, दे कैन डू दिस वेरी वेल. यू हैव टू जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, गेट अ नाइस quadratic इक्वेशन, सॉल्व इट बाय फैक्टराइजेशन and get the value of n. Yes, you will get two values. You will get one positive and one negative. So you always have to take number of sides as positive value. Can you give a try on this? I'll pack up here. God bless.